Hi, my lovely stars. I'm Miss Radwa, and today we will study together the sound an. Do you remember what's the sound of letter A? It's a, a. Excellent. And do you remember what's the sound of letter N? It's n, n. So, do you know what will happen if we mix them together? It will be a, n, a, n, an. So here we have the sound an. Can you say it? An. An. Excellent. Now let's try to read this together. Do you remember what's the sound of letter C? K. Excellent. So here we have ka, an. Ka, an. Can. Can. Like this can of Pepsi, okay? So can you say it? Can. Can. Excellent. Do you remember what's the sound of letter F? It's f, f. So here we have f, an, f, an. So it will be fan, fan. Can you say it? Excellent. Fan. Super. Do you remember what's the sound of letter M? Yes, it's m, m. So here we have ma, an, ma, an, man, man. Can you say it? Man. Excellent. Do you remember what's the sound of letter P? It's p. So here we have pa, an, pa, an, pan, pan. Can you say it? Pan. Excellent. Can you tell me what's the sound of letter V? V. Excellent. So here we have va, an, v, an, van, van. Can you say it? Van. Excellent. Do you remember what's the sound of letter R? It's R. Yes, excellent. So here we have R, an, R, an, ran, ran. Can you say it? Ran. Super. And here we have come to the last one. But here we have an in the beginning. So it will be ant, 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 ant. Can you say it? Ant. Excellent. Now let's try to read and match these words. The first one we have an, pan. Can you point at the pan? Excellent. Then we have an, ran. Where are the boys that are running? Yes, excellent. Ran. And the last one we have ant, ant. Where's the ant? Excellent. You're excellent. Okay, my star, we have come to the end of our lesson today. You were excellent. Until next time, I'll be missing you. Bye bye.